we are making unboxing video for the fog lamp which was ordered from Sam Garage, Delhi. Just now I received the parcel from delivery. You can see the label. This is came from Delhi, Delhi to Mumbai. Okay. As you can see, the outer packaging is opened. From the inside, this look like original box of HJG company. It is packed with bubble wrap. So the outer packing is removed. This is the actual packaging from the inside with the bubble wrap. You can see there's a small box as well. This is the additional clamp for fog lamp holding for your bike. So guys, let's see if you can see if it is visible. This is the picture of lamp. And this is the company name, HJG. So let's open this as well. So the bubble wrap is also removed. The actual box is look like this. Actual box. Hope this is visible to you as well, to all of you. This is the picture of lamp and the company name is mentioned. The packaging is good. This is intact. There is no damage to the box. The delivery was done through a delivery company, was in intact condition. As you can see, this fog comes with two different lamps, white and yellow shades. Two different shades you will get in this. So let's open this original packaging now. This small box actually is for the clamp to hold the lamps, the fog lights on your bike. I'll show you this later. So the shrink wrap has been removed. Okay, this is the actual box. Okay, hope this is clearly visible to you guys, for everyone. It comes with a 12 months warranty. This also comes with 12 months company warranty. This is fully dimmable. This light comes with dimmable switch to change brightness. You can control the brightness from higher to lower beam. So now let's open the box. Okay, so this is from inside. There is a cushion given here. As you can see, this is black. The foam sheet is captured. Okay, there is a warranty card. Unfortunately, this was not signed and stamped because while purchasing, you can see this is the warranty card. Okay, but this is not signed and stamped because I spoke to the dealer. They said when you fix this light on bike, after fixing the lights on my bike, then they will send me a soft copy for the warranty card. That will be enough and sufficient. You can see the packaging is very good. I think, I hope this is visible clear. Okay, this is the lights, these are the holding clamps. Okay, and this is the additional clamp which is required to fix this on your bike. Okay, now I'll show you the clamp first. This is how it's look like, the clamp. The quality is good. The quality is awesome. It's very hard and tough. See, there are two clamps. There are two clamps. Screw packaging is given. Screw. Okay. There's a sticker. HJG sticker. And this is our main product. Okay. There's a box. I think let's see this. What comes in this box? Okay, it's a harness basically. Wiring harness. The switch, everything required to operate your lights. Okay, and this is the lights. It's a bit heavy. It's very big. Seems to be very big actually size, but good for bike for a long rides. This is wonderful product by HJG. Its built up quality is awesome. This is dust and waterproof. You can see there is a chrome connector is given here, and there is a connector here, will be connected to the harness. This comes with yellow frame. You can remove this to get the white throw. Let me show you. This is I removed. Now you can see it's yellow and the white. There's a difference. When you fix this is very easy to remove and easy to fix it again. Okay, so this is how it gets fixed. Okay, so okay, so again this is also remains same. Okay, set of two lights. So okay, so connector is given. For this also I will show how to remove this. Very easy to remove. Okay, it's become white. While riding you can easily remove and fix it again on your fog lamps. It is very soft and easy to remove and very easy to fix it again on your lights. See how. Okay, so let's settle this down again. Now let's check the harness. Okay, the harness, how is the harness is given? Switch. It's a wire with a screw. Okay, and see, this is the main switch to control the power of your fog light throw. You can either bring it on a low beam or a high beam, or you can dim. You can bring your light to dimmer or a higher portion. This is very easy. You have to just rotate this switch. You can easily bring your fog lights from high to low or low to high. This is the harness, the connectors. Okay, unable to see a switch in the packaging. I did not find the switch. It is an adapter with the wire, but I did not find the switch for on and off. I think I have to check with the dealer. Okay, so fine. So far this is the cables and connectors along with the harness. Okay, only the part regarding the switch, the main switch, on and off switch for the light, I have to check with the dealer. Rest is okay. The rest is received, is okay condition. Thank you. So guys, if you can see, this is fog light mount for heavy duty, okay, to fix your fog lights on bike. So let me open this. Let's see about the mount as well. How is the quality? The box is a bit damaged from the outside because of the transportation. Okay, the box, if you can see, there is a screw and rubber patches is given for the packaging, under the panels. Okay, and this is the panels with shrink wrap. It came with the shrink wrap. Okay, see, this is a half moon size panel. Okay, okay, and this is also a rubber type something support for a support. This is also a half moon panel. Okay, so as you can see, this is the fog lamp, okay, with yellow and white shade, 70 watts, total 70 watts, it is 35 each. Okay, this is heavy duty fog light mount. Okay, and this is the lamp holder along with the screws, warranty card without sign and stamp, sticker, and this is cable connectors with the dimmer switch. There is no on and off switch. I did not receive the on and off switch within this box. So thank you. This is the Leo HJG fog lamp for your bikes. 70 watts total, 35 each. Thank you.